Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Arundhati. Today I'm going to demonstrate a little easy way that you can work towards doing the wheel pose, right? A lot of you are struggling, some are scared to pull your body up. So this video is going to show you how to do the wheel pose with the support of your chair, right? And I urge you, if your chair is not as comfy, use a little sheet or a pillow just so that you'll be more protected, right? But before we do that, we have warmed up a good 20 minutes before this tutorial, so I invite you also to mobilize your joints, do a good warm up, and then move towards trying the tutorial. And before we go into the wheel pose, we're going to do a little chest opener also, just to protect our back, open our chest. So I invite, she's going to kneel down, right, and we're going to do the camel pose first. Camel pose is a simple one, so you don't have to do the full one, it's just a bend is enough. And you're going to inhale and circle your right hand and bring it down to the edge of the chair, and then the left, and just push your chest in front. So this is really good to loosen the pelvis and open the chest, which we need when we are doing the wheel pose. So I invite, if you can do it for 30 seconds and maybe 2 times of it, and then move to the rest of the tutorial, right? Then when you're done, you're going to circle your left hand and then right hand, and then go into a child's pose and deep breathe, right? So now we are not going to go into that, we're going to move into the tutorial. So if you can stand up, now we are going to move into the wheel pose, right? So I invite you to keep your feet a little apart and sit on the chair, but kind of midway, right, not fully. Then when you're ready and you're okay with your breath and your grip in your legs are okay, then slowly you're going to bend, place your right hand down, then left hand down, and we're going to stay here a little bit. We're going to let our body adjust to this movement of looking up, yeah. Then when you're ready, you're going to bring your tummy up, torso, buttocks up, then again down and again up and down. So we can do that about 10 times, and then if in the last one you can up and we can hold. So that will give you that confidence to try it without the chair later. At least here you are doing the wheel pose. Hope you found that useful. Then slowly you're going to come up with very gracefully left hand, then right hand, and bend and go downwards, and you're going to deep breathe a little, right? Even though it's not the full wheel, you need to really cool down to protect yourself, right? Then while she's cooling down, I'm going to get the yoga blocks to show a little more advanced way to go a little up. So I'm going to leave the yoga blocks, so you can use books if you want, but make sure they're both the same height, right? You're going to place here. Same way now, sitting midway, right? Then you're going to circle your right hand down, left hand down. Then when you're ready, right, you're going to bring your body up. See, the bend is much more and you're going a little more up, higher. Then down, and again you can do up, down few times, and then coming out. Circle very carefully, then go all the way down and deep breathe. And then once you're done with the tutorial, you have to lie down in Shavasana, cool down really well, and then finish the practice. Remember, breathing, joint movement, and cooling down is very important. Hope you found this tutorial informative. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for joining us. Bye for now.